This practice will introduce you to several techniques which will promote a deeper level of sleep and restful relaxation. In this moment, allow your entire body to be comfortable in either a lying or sitting position without any distractions. Allow me to guide your heart and mind for the next 15 or 20 minutes. Enjoy the music as you listen to my voice. Each time you listen to this practice, you have an opportunity to become more deeply in touch with your own sense of comfort. Sleep is a gift from nature, whereby your body and mind are provided an opportunity to gain rest, regenerate cells, and heal a tired body. It is in your best interest to learn how to more completely release emotional, mental, and physical activity while asleep, so that upon awakening you feel refreshed and full of positive feelings and energy. All this feels good when done for your body. The more you help your body with its tasks, the better you will feel. Re-establish a relationship with your inner body by gradually relaxing and nurturing each part. Gently allow your eyes to remain closed. Allow your eyes to look down and inward. It's okay if your eyelids flutter a bit. The more you feel the fluttering inside, the more your body will gradually release tension. Permit your mind to watch your thoughts on the inside. It's okay if many thoughts circulate. You can experience this practice without blame, criticism, or guilt. Now let your mind observe your body's breath. Allow one breath to follow the other. One breath after the other. Feel your stomach relax and breathe gently into a relaxed abdomen. No need to accomplish everything at once. Provide yourself with enough patience to slowly learn these affirmations and practices. Begin to notice how your body feels on the inside. Still breathing almost effortlessly. one breath after the other. Allowing the air to breathe for you. Allowing the air to negotiate the breath without beginning or end. Feel the tiny muscles that surround your eyes. Give them permission to release tension. Now give yourself permission to cultivate more forgiveness for yourself, for living life in too much of a hurry. Now begin to internally scan your body for places that feel comfortable. Scanning from head to toe. Still breathing one breath after another without beginning or end. Allowing yourself to enjoy the music. Begin to feel your neck relax. Allow your neck to feel as soft as cotton. Relax your scalp, the top and sides of your head. Let your body know that you are going to be more nurturing and kind internally. Continue to allow the air to breathe for you. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Allow your teeth to separate a bit to relax your jaw. Relax your cheeks. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms and allow them to feel heavy. Hands, fingers, and wrist bones all feel comfortable. Relax your back. relaxing your back from your lower back to your upper back. Just making contact with your feelings on the inside. You live inside. Increase your inner comfort by continuing to release body tension. Relax your pelvis and internal organs. Relax your thighs, knees, and calves. Still breathing almost effortlessly, relaxing your abdomen. Relax your feet, arches and toes. The big toes and the little toes. By practicing this complete release, you will notice that your awareness and comfort will increase. It's common for listeners to fall asleep early in the practice, and that's good. Complete and effective rest is always good. Regular practice will assist you in releasing those stressors that get in the way of a more complete rest. Always allowing your mind to have some awareness of your effortless breath. Breathe and increase your comfort. Breathe more comfort, breath after breath, creating endless comfort, followed by more breaths.